Hey, hello everyone. Again, I'm come back with some interesting courses. Today, I'll tell you about discuss about the seven best Flutter development courses. These all the courses are online, and if you want more information about the online courses, then subscribe our channel CourseAvatar and click on the bell icon so always we get updated whenever I upload a new video. Anyway, let's get started. So, our first course is a complete 2021 Flutter development course. It's a bootcamp course with Raj, and it's provided by the Udemy. Here you will learn about the obtain the full-fledged Flutter development status, created the apps for iOS or Android using the Signal programming languages, or recognize all the foundational ideas of Flutter development. This course is for the people who want to get the knowledge of the Dart and also build the iOS and Android apps. If you are never programmed before, then you can definitely go for this course, and you can take this course with the signal code base. If you have coding experience, then you also go for this course. You can learn it, and you can go the link given in the so our next course is a build to screen Flutter application course. This course is provided by the Coursera, and here you will learn how to create a natural looking Flutter app for the iOS or Android or any web. You can learn the basic elements of the Flutter applications, and you will utilize the numerous pages of the hot reloading in order to accelerate the developments. And this course is for the beginners who wants to learn the Flutter development and want to become a experienced people. You can definitely go for this course, and you gain this very knowledge. So our next course is a 2021 Flutter Development Bootcamp course. This is provided by the Udemy, and here you will learn about the creating apps for iOS and Android using programming language, and you will obtain the full-fledged Flutter developed status. You will recognize all the foundation ideas of Flutter development, and in the order to teach you from the scratch, you will learn from the scratch, and you into the Flutter developer. You can make some uh, projects for your portfolios to get the internship or a job. And this course is for the comprehensive Flutter development bootcamp course. Here you will learn to write the Dart code and create a stunning quick native quality iOS Android apps also. And if you're interested, then go and check out the link. So our fourth one course is a Dart and Flutter course is the complete developer guide course is provided by the Udemy, and here you also learn about the using the Dart to produce or distribute open source projects, and will create a stunning multi-screen applications with the Dart. And you will learn about the native Swift and Android programming, and strongly backed by the Google. And this course is for especially for the beginners who want to learn from the beginning of it, and like the its introduction, what is the Flutter, and what you can do in it, how it works. You will learn all these things in this course. Go and check out the link given below in the description. So our next course is a Flutter beginner course. This is also provided by the Udemy, and here you will learn about all the developed basic Flutter applications like IntelliJ ideas and Android Studios, or you can learn many tools like quick development cycles or significant development environments of the Flutter. You will learn to build the applications in IntelliJ ideas and troubleshoot issues. You will learn it, and you will also learn about the some like the mobile development also. And this course is first for the people who wants to become a mobile developer or Flutter mobile development to learn it wants to learn, then they definitely go for this course. Go and check out the link given below. Our next course is Introduction to the Mobile App Development with the Flutter by Eslan. This course is provided by the Eslan, and here you will learn like topics like handling JSON data and basic UI designs, and you also learn the basic widgets of Flutter, different elements, and on authorizations and logical programming also. This course is a user friendly app development frameworks also. You can work on that, and this is a beginner course for the beginners, or you want to won't have a you doesn't have any period knowledge about the Flutter. don't worry about this course will teach you all everything about the basics to the its concepts and its functions and its fundamentals. Everything you will learn in this course. So here we are on the last course, and this course is an introduction to the Flutter. It's a totally basic course. This course is provided by the Simply Learn. It's the best website to learn anything you want to learn. And here you will learn in this topic you will learn like the Dart, widgets, and JSON and navigations. Also, here in this course, you will have a basic understanding of native Android development and OOPS and fundamentals. And before learning the Flutter, you just need these things. And this course is for the people who wants to make the app, become a app developers or software developers or coding enthusiasts, and they are interested in these things. Then can they definitely go for this course. It's the best course and it's the best website to learn.
So here all the courses are ended, and the links of the all the courses are links given in the description box. Make sure you go and check out at that, and for which course you're gonna enroll yourself, comment it that also, and click on the subscribe button and bell icon so that you get updated more about the online courses. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, all of you.